Hello, doing a competition video for AusHerps Reptile and Invert competition. So this is the invert side of the video that I'm doing, and this is a giant Rainforest Mantis. She's only new in my collection, she only arrived today. So I've set her up, and this is her enclosure. It's acrylic and has a sliding door, and she's got coca peat on the bottom for substrate. I try to keep that fairly moist. She's got a stick and she's got an artificial plant, and on the top is some netting just held on with some blue tack, just so when they molt, and they actually do like to hang upside down. So this is her. She's an adult, she's fully mature, and she's already laid one Uthka from the person who I bought her from, and hopefully she'll lay a couple of more for me because she's been bred with. So I'm going to offer her a cricket now. This is the first time I've offered her food since she's been here with me. And there she goes. That's good. So she's settling in because she's taking food. I'll keep her well fed up because I want her to lay more Uthkas for me. I'll try and zoom in, see how we go with vision. So she's munching away. The cricket's still alive. They often eat them alive. They don't care that they're not dead yet. She's chewing on a leg at the moment. They've got pretty powerful mandibles. So she's got a good hold of the cricket. Chewing and chewing. Try and get around the other way, see if we can get a better view. Can't really see that well through the acrylic. So that is the female giant Rainforest Mantis. Beautiful girl. Thanks for the chance to enter the competition, AusHerps. Great idea.